fluid, then the power steering. Train, I'm gonna do the radiator next. And we're just gonna keep on moving, trying to get everything from here. Alright, so I'm under the car, trying to take off the exhaust. This side is already out. And all the fluids are drained except the transmission one. So this side over here, the bolts are 19. So I was taking those out with this impact. They come out AC like that. So we'll see. I have to cut it. I'm gonna have to cut it. Alright, so I'm draining the trans right now. The exhaust is off. Just the mount for the transmission, the motor mounts now. In the dry shaft. I was gonna take off the dry shaft, but I forgot the damn freaking torch at home, and those bastards are in, and they don't want to come out, so I have to do this instead. So, but we got a lot to do anyways at home with the notch, so I'm gonna have to go back there and work on this one later on. Transmission oil looked pretty nasty. I don't know what the hell they put in there. It doesn't look like it's American for sure. But at least there was oil in there, so that's good. All the harnesses are off, radiator is off, all the fluids are off. I could have done more, but I came in pretty late to working through, but we're good. We did a lot, so it's pretty much ready to take off tomorrow. There it is. Smells like freaking differential fluid. I don't know why. Alright, so the work on the notch starts here. So this is how I got it. I don't know why I got myself into this, but you know how it is. Just gotta put it back together, no? That's all. That's how it goes. But yeah, everything was stuffed in here. All these parts that need to go on it. All these seats are clean though. They seem to be washed. And then obviously there's more stuff over here. Oh look, here's the boot. This pedal. This. We have the center console, or at least half part of it. Over here, we have this kick panel. This is part that goes to the lid of the center console. Something like this. Oh, we'll figure it out in a bit. Got this bracket, so I might have to hold on to those because I don't know what they're for. This one is for the stupid stock amp from factory. Radio harness. Can throw it away. So yeah, I don't know. So I might be able to use something. It looks like sand. This looks like sand. Huh. Free harness. We have the dipstick. It's supposed to be for the. We're gonna try to put that back on. Cause I wasn't able to check the oil when I got there. Cause the dipstick was missing. Free marker. Free marker. Got whatever's left of a visor. It's trash. Unfortunately. Over here we got a little bit more of a radio bracket or whatever. We got some bolts and nice. We got the switch. Nice. So you got a switch. Got the AC controls. So whatever's left of them, I have to get the other cars. Over here we have a speaker vessel cover. Over here we have the okay, we got that. This right here is interesting to see. This is supposed to be the original. So 89? 89, I'm gonna call it 89 because 89,000 miles. Because usually this ones, when they're really up like that, they're true. So I'm gonna call 89,000 miles on this fucking body, I don't care. Over here, we have nice trim for the top. Here's some more door trim. We got the main deal right here, covered under the dash. Or, I mean, steering column. We got the other keys. Yo, this is pretty good condition. There's no cracks right there, yo. Man, free funnel. Free funnel. Can't hate that. We always use those. Free funnel. Hey, we got the trim for the shifter. I was hoping we got the switches. Nice. The guy really wasn't lying. He's not a friend now. He's not a friend because he was sending me a trip. Not kidding. No, he was pretty nice guys, brothers. You know, they work on Mustangs. Yeah, I don't see rust in there. It looks pretty clean in there. Like it, I like it. Okay, let's clean this. Let's check it out. Here's all the parts I had to wash them, quick wash, but everything looks really nice. Except that console. Their dash has cracked, but nothing here. Just this. Pretty sure I can change it. This here, I mean. Everything else seems to be there. So, that's it. Yeah, let's check it out. I found this dice, and I found it up like this. Good luck right there for me. And then all those items, little items. But the best thing I just found out, but not really bad. And then something bad, I mean. Check it out, it looks like somebody broke the window here once. Or something, I don't know. Huh. But check it out, I found this keys here. And believe it or not, they didn't give me the key for the locks on the doors. Because they didn't have it. But I just found this. Let me see if it's gonna be lucky dice. Nah. It has a number 74. Okay, well, let me try the other side. And also the trunk, because I don't have the one for the trunk. At least give me the trunk. I mean, I assume it's not gonna be for this car, but nope. Nope. How about here? It looks like somebody tried to bust open into this car before. I mean, bust in. Nope. Let's try ignition. It goes in, but it's not it. So, not lucky, I guess.